for today's video, yun, i-share ko lang yung project sa Amay Escapes Bulacan na strategic, accessible ang location, and 30 minutes away from Quezon City. So via NLEX, Philippine Arena, Bukawi, and Tabubong exit. At meron ding point-to-point bus from Santa Maria, Bulacan to Trinoma and Vertis North, Quezon City. So total of 29 hectare na po ang development. At merong Sector 1, Sector 2, Sector 3 na RFO na at may mga homeowners na doon. Sector 4A and 4B na near RFO. So yung Sector 3C na pinaka-latest ng project ng Amaya ngayon na may total area of 5.95 hectare na may single home 60 at single home 80. So single home 60 is sold out na, single home 80 is marami pang available na may floor area of 80 square meter at minimum lot area of 100 square meter. So complete finish na po yon, lilipatan mo na lang, i-fill in mo na lang ng gamit, at ang pinakamaganda sa lahat, smart home. So kung gusto mong malaman yung full details at sample computation, i-message mo po ako. Salamat!